100 years of experience in the manufacturing of surgical scissors have positioned Rudolf Medical as the scissors specialist and the reference trademark on the international medical devices market. Scissors, the most important instruments for surgeons and medical professionals, are brought to ultimate perfection in the production of Rudolf Medical. The use of high-alloyed quality steels is the basis of the outstanding quality of Rudolf scissors designed for various surgical disciplines. Rudolf scissors are manufactured by highly experienced master craftsmen in state-of-the-art production facilities. Comprehensive and continuous quality control ensures the steady high-quality level of these masterpieces. Each pair of Rudolf scissors gets its specific characteristic for its particular purpose of application. Therefore, great importance is set upon their special smooth movement and their consistently precise cutting property. Rudolf Scissors by Rudolf. Precision by Master Craftsmen.